Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Function overloading in C++. Function overloading is a feature in C++, not C, that allows multiple functions to have the same name but with different parameters. This is a form of polymorphism that enhances the readability of the code by allowing the same function name to be used for different types or numbers of arguments. Key points about function overloading. One same function name, all overloaded functions must have the same name. Two different parameters, they must differ in the number or type of parameters. 3. Return type, the return type alone cannot be used to differentiate between overloaded functions. The parameter list must be different. 4. Compile time resolution, the correct function to call is determined at compile time, based on the arguments passed. Example of function overloading. Here's an illustrative example showing how function overloading works in C++. CPP. Include iostream. Using namespace std. / function to add two integers. Int add, int a, int b. Return a plus b. / function to add three integers. Int add, int a, int b, int c. Return a plus b plus c. / function to add two floating point numbers. Double add, double a, double b. Return a plus b. Int main. / calling the overloaded functions. Could sum of two integers, add, 10, 20, and l, / calls add, int. Could sum of three integers, add, 10, 20, 30, and l, / calls add, int. Could sum of two doubles, add, 10.5, 20.5, and l, / calls add, double. Return 0. Explanation of the example. 1. Function definitions. The first add function takes two integers and returns their sum. The second add function takes three integers and returns their sum. The third add function takes two double values and returns their sum. 2. Function calls. When add, 10, 20, is called, the compiler determines that it matches the first add function. When add, 10, 20, 30, is called, it matches the second add function. When add, 10.5, 20.5, is called, it matches the third add function. Benefits of function overloading. Improves code clarity. Using the same function name for related operations makes the code easier to read and understand. Reduces name clutter. It avoids the need for multiple function names for similar operations. Encourages reusability. Overloaded functions can operate on different data types, enhancing code reusability. Conclusion. Function overloading is a powerful feature in C++ that allows you to define multiple functions with the same name but different parameters. This capability can lead to cleaner and more maintainable code, especially when working with operations that are conceptually similar but differ in types or numbers of inputs.